Yesterday I told about Udemy free courses. Of course, this is a paid course 4 years back. Okay, so then it is updated to 2 years back. Okay, I purchased this course in 2018 January by payment. It later update it become 2020. Okay, he stopped updating from 2020. Now today only I opened. Okay, so just I want to tell about very small other thing. You can learn paid and certificate paid and as well as a free courses also available. And also a lot of things you can learn freely, means without paying also you can learn sometimes not every time, sometimes few things you can learn freely without labs. Okay, so that is from the CloudX lab, which is CloudX lab. Okay, so if you see here, it is, these are a different type of courses. This is something which is just launched. Okay, so machine learning operations. This is a DevOps certification training, data science, big data, machine learning, natural language processing. This is Python. Okay, so like this, these are some paid courses, some are non-paid courses, live courses. Okay, recorded, these things are there. You can see start learning from free is also there. So this is a complete Python is a free course. Actually, Python is a free course. You want a certificate or maybe you want a practice. This online labs are available. So it's a 0 rupees for 3 days. Earlier it is a 7 days free lab access is there. Now it is 3 days free access is there. So this is for a 1 month lab access. You don't need to pay anything for the course. Okay. So this is a very basic course. You can complete it. So for example, a set of course like a DevOps kind of stuff. So this is, you can enroll. I checked this one 4 days back, also 4 seats left. Okay. It's live classes are there. So live classes means usually it is paid course. Okay, you will get a labs and other things. You can go to course content and other conditions also. What are the things you will learn and all. It's a paid course. It's a program fees is there and EMI also there, and you will get a certificate also. Okay, you will get a certificate also. Okay, so you can see it is certificate. Some courses are by IIT Roorkee. This is also a paid courses. Okay, online program courses also there. And finally, I want to show you explore courses. Just click free. So these are all free courses. Even DevOps certification, DevOps specialization. So it is showing like this. Okay, so guarantee free courses are Python, MySQL, always free courses are available. Java also you don't need to pay anything to learn Java. Okay, you can learn Java also, like search for Java. Java also free course. Okay, recorded sessions. Why it is a free? It is a recorded session. So like this you can do it. So you have to log in. So you'll get a how much percentage you are completed. When you take a courses like online courses or recorded courses. So when you are doing it, so it will tell how much progress you are completed. Okay. So point is, so there is a free courses, paid courses, online courses, recorded sessions also there. Some are it is showing a free course, even though it is showing as a free course, not a paid course kind of stuff. Look at here, it is a free course. I want to go to data science specialization, for example. It is showing start learning for a free. Okay, start learning for a free 170 days of lab. Okay, so you have to pay for a lab also there. So it contains 5 courses include, and there is a content also, as you can see. What are the things it will cover in this course? What are the projects you will get it? What kind of certificate you will get it? Who's your trainers? Okay, so there is a related courses. If you see, there is any payment related not given. Okay, subscribe now is there, but payment is not given, meaning it's a free course. But only thing is you have to pay for lab. Okay, you have to pay for a lab. So if you are a fast learner, within 1 month you want to complete this, you can subscribe 1 month only. So you pay this one and complete this course by 1 month. So then you will complete it. Or you pay for a 3 months. Or you are a little lazy like me, so pay for 6 months and forget the all 6 months. Last day you can feel a tension. Okay. Of course, I paid for a tension. My course is also there, so don't worry. My course is also there. Okay. So my profile, my lab, my course. And I have taken this course and in a 2020. That time we have a Corona time, right? So then I started a course and I have to complete by April 25th, but I didn't complete. I only completed only few parts. Okay, so these are a free course. Linux basics are free course. Okay, Python is a free course. MySQL, NoSQL, free courses also available. These are all courses. Actually, I taken. This is data engineering with the Hadoop and Spark. So only these parts are completed 100%, 100%, 98%, 100%, 100%, and here it is discontinued. Oh, this is also completed. This is discontinued. So I didn't complete these courses. If I complete all these courses, I will get a certificate directly. Okay. Okay, so only 55%. I have to complete 60% at least to get a certificate on time. Okay. Okay. So this is one of the free available courses. Of course, Oracle also providing free learning courses. You can easily learn things. So you can go to simple Oracle like this Oracle website. Click on this learn. Okay, and start learning now. Of course, you have to log into Oracle with a email ID. Okay, so then you can learn like a from starting like a Oracle certificate free tiers 1 by 1 certification courses you can able to learn. Okay. So these two things learn. Okay, yeah, that's it about a free learning. Free. Okay guys, understand what I told about CloudX lab. Start with networking basics or basics of networking or networking essentials. Okay, so what are the name of this one? Any name you can put it. So networking essentials. The name is that one. That's nothing. Okay. So what are the networking basics about all the network related part? Okay. The first question is always, what is network? Okay. What is the network? Anyone want to try? What is network? The first thing is, so I will for explanation I will keep it like this. Okay. And I will going to draw something. So this is a device. Device means either it is a computer, okay, it can be a computer or a PC, like that. So it is, for example, my PCA. Okay. This is another computer, for example. This is, for example, PCB, computer or a device. Any name you can put it. Why device? Because of earlier days, computers are there. Later on days, which is we use for a computational purpose, and again we are connected them like that, right? Okay. So that is a part, right? We have a computers earlier. Later printers also we can able to connect it to network. Okay. Nowadays we have a laptops, mobile phones, TVs, LED lights, CC cameras. Also we can able to connect. So that's why we should not use the computer name here. We should use devices. Okay. So what is the point of this is interconnection of two or more devices. For example, I have another computer is there. It is not in a good shape. Okay. So interconnection of two or more devices, like you are connected this device to this device. Okay. So that is we call it as a network. That is we call it as a network. Next, when you are communicating from one device to another device, you are communicating from one device to another device or multiple devices. Okay, that we call it as a networking. What is a network? It's a connection of two or more devices. Okay, or interconnection of two or more devices called a network. Communication between two or more interconnected device is called networking. So you send a packet here. So like you are send a message, hello, then it is received and resend another message like a hi. So that is communication. For example, you have a mobile phone. Okay, your friend are having a mobile phone. Both are not connected, either directly or indirectly. Both are not connected. No, there is no network. Okay, you are not connecting means you don't have a network. Okay, you are connected but you are not talking means there is no networking. Okay, you are talking means networking. So communication, if there is a communication, networking. If there is no communication, network. It's not like that, guys. It's not a that kind of a part. So don't go with the complete reverse order. So the point is if you connect, it's a first point is network. If both are communicating, there is a networking also. Without network, there is no networking, right? Without network, if you don't put a network, there is no network, no networking. Okay, so that's the point, our original point. Okay, not what I said, the point it is. Okay, so don't think reversely, just right. First is network. First is network, interconnection of two or more devices. Okay, once connection is made, then we have to communicate from one device to another device. If you are communicating, means communication between two or more devices, called a networking. Okay, next. If you think it is a network one, okay, this part is called a, for example, this is a one network. Think just a logical representation only, not everything it is that. Okay, what happened? Okay, so this is some other devices. Okay, think like this. These devices are in a one network. Okay, for example, this is PC1. Okay, so this is PC2. So this is PC3. These are all connected. Okay, so these are all connected. How they are connected, that is we will learn in a topology. So just understanding there are connected each other. How they can able to connect, that is we will discuss in a physical topologies. They are connected and they are communicating each other. They are communicating each other. PC1 to PC2, PC2 to PC3, PC3 to PC1, communication is there. Means there is a network and there is a networking also. For example, this is network 2. Okay, if you connect, this is one network and this is another network. This is no. Right. The border is not. Okay, this is one network. This is another network. So there is a two network. If you connect these two networks, so that is called a internetwork. Internetwork. There is a two or more networks are there. If you can able to connect these two things together, is a internetwork. Okay, so this is internetwork. Here it is a network and there is another network. If you connect two networks, means it is a internetwork. Now PC1. Okay, I will take another color. For example, PC1 is communicating to PCB. PC1 can able to communicate it to PCB. Both are in a different network, but both can able to communicate because they are connected. So that is called a internetworking. So that is called a internetworking. Again, Guys, what is the network? Connection of two or more devices. Interconnection of two or more devices is called a network. Communication between two or more interconnecting devices is called a networking. Internetwork is a connection of two or more networks. You have a multiple networks are there. You are connected, so that is called a internetwork. Internetworking means communication between different networks. So you have a multiple networks. You are communicating from one network to another network is called a internetworking. Guys, understand this part? Basics.
Yes, sir.
Basic definitions. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay. So here it is. Different type of networks are there. So based on a geographical understanding. So here I am typing these things first. Type of network is first of all LAN. Next one is CAN. Next one is MAN. Next one is MAN. Originally, there is only two type of networks are there. One is LAN, another one is WAN. Some people recently adding other than these four, because of four are based on the original textbooks of networking basics. Like if you are belongs to CSE, CE, ENTC, so if you have a basics of networking part, so there is only four names. Even if you learn a CCNA kind of stuff, okay, there is only four networks. Now people are added some more networks recently. So one is like a PAN, personal area network.
Personal area network.
Yeah. Is HAN. Okay, like this. So what is a LAN? Anyone?
Local area network. Sir, local area network. Campus area network.
First, MAN. Yeah,
Sir, wireless area network.
PAN.
Sir, wireless.
One. Wide area network. MAN. Metropolitan area network. Okay. So here it is. Based on a geographical range. Okay. So these are a different type of networks are given based on the geographical range. Size, meaning is size. Okay, of course, personal area network. And home area network. Last time one of our students asked in a class only, sir, what is HAN, what is PAN, like that. So when I search it, there is a lot of things I found, and I got a very big laugh also. So like this. Okay. So people are creating so much of things, but really I have almost like in engineering I studied networking. Almost like end of engineering I learned CCNA. I learned CCNA 3 times. I taught CCNA 3 times. I read the CCNA textbooks also. Okay. I never hear these many ants kind of stuff. If there is a ant, it is there put a thing. Nano, ban, pan, lan, can, man, ran. Okay. WAN. I don't know. So WAN means personal area network. B means bedroom area network or balcony area network. I don't know. So hand is missing here. Okay. So someone put a SAN also there. Like in a storage, we've seen, right? SAN. Originally, these are all not a area network kind of stuff. Because of geographical specifications, we can understand these are all AN networks, like a LAN, CAN, MAN kind of stuff. But SAN is definitely it is not a belongs to this kind of network. It is completely a storage related part. It is not belongs to area networks. It is originally like it is not a regular network. It's never be a regular network. It is belongs to storage part only. It's not belongs to our regular networks. Of course, there is a network inside, but it is a separate one. So always do not include these things together until unless someone asks a question to you. Okay, guys. So I'm telling you about a personal area network first because of I have to explain these things. So that's why I'm telling you about this one. Nowadays, people are having their own network. So for example, I have my network. For example, I have a laptop, my mobile phone, my tablet. So I connected with Bluetooth earphones. If I connected my mobile phone to my TV through Miracast, casting, right? As screen casting is there, so I can connect my mobile phone to TV. Or I have some Wi-Fi device or a Wi-Fi router, so I can connect my TV, my laptop, my mobile phone, my printer. So like a Bluetooth earphones. So this is a personal area network, means you are a person and you have a mobile phone and you are connected with your Bluetooth devices. Personal area network. So mostly use in the personal area network is a Bluetooth or a Wi-Fi hotspots. You can connect with a Wi-Fi hotspots or a Bluetooth. So or a Wi-Fi direct. A Wi-Fi printer is there. I have a Wi-Fi printer is there. So when I connecting to my Wi-Fi printer, even though if I don't have a router, I can able to take the print. So why? Because of Wi-Fi direct or a Wi-Fi hotspot using that one. I can share the data using Wi-Fi hotspot. So it's a personal area network, means I am my mobile phone, my laptop, my Bluetooth headphones, okay, or my earphones kind of stuff. So this is personal area network. Home area network is complete home automation. You have a TV, you have a printer, you have some what is this? Home appliances, okay, LED lights, Alexa connected LED lights, or Google connected is coming, right? So complete home automation using a Wi-Fi connection. Yeah, someone is sending a message. Okay, Praveen Kumar is present. Very good. Okay, very good.
Yes, Sai Chandra also.
Sai Chandu. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So understand home automation. I didn't give any explanation. If you want, like you can give like a TV, LED lights. You are getting right. AC control. Okay, so we are connecting our air cooler, air controls, some any home appliances. One second, guys. Just I will be back. Okay, so here it is. LED TVs, lights. Okay, so home appliances. You can say any home appliances, washing machines. We are connected through Wi-Fi, right? So
Sir,
Wi-Fi.
digital watch.
Very good. That is okay. Smartwatch.
Smart.
Smartwatches because you are wearing it. Okay. So yes, smart TVs, smart LED lights. Anything comes with a smart home appliances. Okay. So these are all we are connecting with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot kind of stuff. Entire home automation. Okay. Alexa. Okay. So Google Homes, Alexa, Echo Dot is there. Google Homes. Yes. Okay. So these are all. Why? What happened? Is the spelling correct or wrong spelling? Okay. So these are all in a network. So if in case, just in case, you told her maybe interview told her randomly there is a part like what is PAN, what is HAN kind of stuff. You can tell about something. Okay. So this is also there currently. So we cannot say it is a kind of network it is, but nowadays we have our personal own network is there. Okay, this is completely storage related. It is not belongs to any communication related. So storage access enterprise purpose only. This all belongs to storage access. So enterprise related, not a home related, not for anyone related personally. Okay, again, local area network, guys. Local area network is if you take a building or a room. Okay, so you take a small building. I can't draw now, so if I draw, it will take later. So now I will draw. Okay, so for example, you take a building up to the building. The land size is up to a single building. Okay, so in a building we have a floors, right? For example, I have a room. Okay, I have a room. or a sorry, or maybe I have a complete floor. Okay, I have to learn shortcuts for this one. Okay, either a single room or maybe a complete floor or a complete building. So that is okay. So or an entire building. Okay, so we can say it is a single LAN network. Paintbrush is far better. Okay, a single LAN network. It can be a we'll take a little darker. It can be a single room, a LAN network. Okay, it can be a single room, or maybe entire floor can be a one LAN network, or entire building can be a LAN network. The geographical size limitation is up to one building. So this is your LAN network. Reality is, so originally you said like, sir, I connected to entire building, but the engineering, the network engineering said it is not a LAN, it is a WAN kind of stuff. Maybe possibility there. It's not about a building or it's not a building kind of stuff. Okay, it's a single room kind of stuff. It's all about how the network is connected, how things are connected. But as a textbook, I'm telling this is such as a floor of a building itself within a campus. Okay, so like this. So why I'm putting these dots here. What is this? It is written in some different colors. Colors. Okay. We can see CAN. So CAN means campus area network. So what is this campus area network? You can look at here. So I have a college campus is there, or maybe Tech Mahindra campus is there, or Cognizant campus is there, HCL campus is there, or a university campus is there, Andhra University, Usmania University, JNTU University, Nagpur University. Okay, like that. So there is a lot of universities are there. It's a complete one single campus. In this campus, we have a lot of buildings in the single campus, right? Just for understanding and representation purpose only, guys. So this is a building. For example, this is my principal office building, administrative building. This is, for example, ECE department building. Okay. This is, for example, ECE department building. This is, for example, computer CSC department building. Okay. Similarly, this is mechanical department building. Okay, this is mechanical department building. And this is electrical science department. No, normal engineering colleges where I studied, there is a management people also there. Okay, so management building. Okay, or maybe some other things like postgraduates people building. So like different type of buildings are there, EC department, admin department, kind of stuff. For example, admin building, ECE. This is CSC and IT. Okay. For example, this is mechanical, civil, for example, management, MBA. Okay, so these are all buildings in the single campus, single college campus. So there is each building is one single LAN network, right? Each building single LAN network. They are connected together and become a very big, large network. So this type of network we call it as a campus area network. Guys, got the points? Second point, campus area network. Okay, campus area network. Next one is metropolitan area network. So metropolitan within the city, metropolitan within the city. For example, again, so I have a different offices are there. For example, this is the mayor office in the city. And this is, for example, police station. For example, this is a hospitals. For example, this is a municipality department. For example, this is a water supply department. For example, road related department, R&D department. This is what we can say, some electricity department. Okay, fire related departments are there. No? So if you see any city, so then you can see there is a lot of departments are there. If you are in a small towns or villages, you may not see in the different departments in the villages. But so if you go to any metropolitan city or a very big cities, like metropolitan cities are, first is like a Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai. So important first major cities are Kolkata, Chennai, then Delhi, Mumbai, Delhi. Delhi is a capital for a very long time, so automatically it is there. But the developer really the metropolitan things are started from the Kolkata, the word metropolitan part. Okay, Chennai is also a very big city. Delhi and Mumbai, of course. And other than these four, so other big cities also there, right? For example, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune. I don't think about Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, so don't go with that one. So it's a very small cities. Okay, so Hyderabad is a very big and large city. Pune is a very large city. Bangalore is a very big and large city, very denser populated cities. Maybe Ahmedabad, Surat, these people. I don't know. Nagpur is, I don't know, so I never went there. But any other cities, guys? People, large number of people and highly development cities. Okay, so whatsoever it is, different departments are there. So one is like a fire department, forest department, water department. So within the city, we can able to communicate. Within the city, we can able to communicate. So these departments will communicate each other. Okay. Example, MTNL. So Maharashtra, Sunata Maharashtra, Mahanagar, no. Okay. So it is like a MTNL is there, no Mahanagar Nigam Limited, like a BSNL, there is a MTNL, okay, within the city. Okay, that's it. Next one is WAN, wide area networks. Nowadays we are getting internet because of WAN connectivity. So here it is, same thing, not the same thing. Global connectivity, wide area network. What is wide area network? It is a global connectivity of network. For example, this is my main office in New Jersey. This is my Indian office, Hyderabad office. And this is my Sri Lanka office. Okay, this is Bangalore office. This is Australia office. This is somewhere like a South Korean office. Okay, so multinational company, right? The organizations are located in a different geographical locations. So when you are communicating from there to here, we have to communicate with the WAN connectivity. Simply say WAN is a global network, LAN is a local network. Understand? People are not speaking anything. No. Here it is. Guys, LAN, CAN, WAN. Very important one is LAN and WAN, because the truly existing one is only both the two only. So CAN is only limited to campus part. This is a local network, and this is global network. And public network. It is a public. Your LAN is not public, it is a your private network. Okay, private network. So this is within city range. This network is no. Not city, within campus. What I done? It is within the campus. This is entire network within the city. Okay, within the city geographically. But important point, remember guys, LAN is a local network. Means I have a room, I have a 5 computers are connected in the LAN. I have a laptop, now I connected to internet. So then I can able to connect it to you through internet. I can able to communicate to you through internet, right? So that is how it is possible internet, because of WAN connectivity. Okay, so I am accessing YouTube, which is located far away from here, so right? So because of it is, we are connected through WAN connectivity. So remember these important points. So what is a LAN? Local network. What is WAN? Wide area network. One more important is intra network. Intranet and internet. Small difference, guys. Intranet means it's a local. Internet is global. We are using a global public network. We are using a internet to communicate anywhere. in the global. For example, I'm asking Google, where is a Google server? It can be in a Bangalore, it can be in a Singapore, it can be in a US, it can be San Jose, it can be in San Francisco, right? So we don't know where it is located. So whatever it is, so we are accessing from our location. So through internet. Intranet, if you are in the same local connection, we can able to access. So intranet is a private network. It is a local network. Okay. So people who are in the internet, they cannot able to access. What is intranet? Internet is a global network, publicly accessible from anywhere. Okay, that is the difference between LAN, WAN, intranet, and internet. Okay, these are some important points that I've written like this. Okay, instead of big statements, I've written this one for a easy to catchy like that. Guys, understand up to here? LAN, WAN, CAN.
Yes, sir.
So this is a basic LAN topology. The basic LAN topology. So here it is. There is a connecting device. Network hub is there. File server workstation. This is Metropolitan Area Network. Just pictures only. Otherwise, we'll keep every picture in a city. So I don't go with not much pictures here. It's become a slideshow. So I want a notes show, not a picture show. If you can understand, take it. Okay. So point is, what is a wide area network? Wide area network is a global network. Okay, your organizations will be there in a different locations, but still we can able to communicate. So the next important one is, this is the most important one. So you want to create a network and understand of network. So these are the important things. One by one we will see. Okay. First one is, you have a device, it compulsory required a interface card. Compulsory it is required a interface card. Okay. So look at here. I'm going to write again a small diagram. Okay. Look at. So for example, this is a computer. Okay. Think like it is a computer or a device, and this is some other device. Okay, like a PC1 or PCA. PCB, two devices are there. Now this PCA want to communicate PCB. So what is the requirement? It is required to connect with a NIC. Okay, so without NIC you can't able to communicate. Without NIC you can't able to communicate. Okay, without NIC you can't connect. For example, you have a mobile phone and you are accessing internet through 4G network. For example, the 4G chip is there, no? The 4G chip, the modem connection, it connects to the tower and we are getting internet, right? There is a NIC, that is also an NIC. You have a Wi-Fi, mobile phone Wi-Fi is there. So the Wi-Fi chip is there. So there is some internal antenna So when you are connected to your Wi-Fi device, Wi-Fi router, you are getting internet access. How you access? There is a NIC. The Wi-Fi NIC is there. You have a laptop. Built-in NIC is there. Built-in NIC Wi-Fi NIC is there. You have a desktop. So you have a desktop. The desktop also having a NIC. Okay. So nowadays we are getting USB Wi-Fi adapters. USB Wi-Fi adapters also coming, right? Okay. So this is USB Wi-Fi adapters. Just you have to connect it to your laptop or desktop. So then you can easily connect to your Wi-Fi. So this is also a NIC. This is also NIC. USB Rj45 connectors also coming. Generally, the NIC cards are look like this. Okay, they are connect these NIC cards inside your computer. Now this is a very good picture nowadays. So like a NIC card, Wi-Fi modules. This is USB connector. Okay, so like this is a directly connected to your inside your computer. Outside we can able to connect with the wire. So this is called a NIC. So generally like so main picture of NIC. But what is NIC? Network interface card. There is a something should be there to connect your device to network. Either it is a built-in Wi-Fi module, or maybe it is a modem connection, 4G modem connection, or maybe it is a wired connection or Wi-Fi connection. Whatever it is, to connect it, we need a NIC. So how much struggle we are facing. Now, what is the requirement? So first requirement, the devices must have a NIC. Okay. Next, we need a either certain cables are required. Either you need a fiber optical cable, or maybe Rj45 related cable, or maybe depends upon your connectivity, your NIC, your switch or a hub, or how you are connecting. So based on that, you need a different type of cables or a wireless cable, wireless things also there, right? We are talking in a wide mode, like a cable mode. So we'll do it. Okay, this is my hub or a switch. Okay, so this is my hub or a switch. Currently, just only look at that one. Hub or a switch. Now what happened? I am connecting through wire like this. Okay. Now PCA can able to communicate. PCB, no. Just we are connected. So network is created. To communicate from here to here, we need a different type of protocols and IP addresses. With IP addresses only we can able to communicate. So both machines required IP address. Without IP address means without a logical address, how can you communicate, right? We need a logical addressing to both the devices. Then, for example, Sai Chandu is there. I want to ask a question. 1 second, guys. Hello. Check. I'm buying. Okay, so here it is. For example, I want to ask a question, or maybe I want to send a message. How to send a message like with a phone number or a name, right? So we have to communicate with something like a hello Sai Chandu, can you do this favor to me, or what is network, right? So I want to send I want to send a particular message like do like this or read this one. So I have to address the person, right? Address the person. So with a name or some number, I have to address, right? So here it is, to communicate from one device to another device, we need a address. Okay, to address, so we require a IP address. Okay, so that is a IP address. So what is this protocol? What is this protocol? So protocols are used to understand what you are asking, right? So for example, you went to usually I told this example regularly, so I'm telling same example if you are understand. In our school college days, school days, usually like in school days, we have a letter writing is there, right? To whom, to the principal, request for a leave for a 10 days to go to home, right? Your principal, you are writing for a principal or a class teacher, so your leave letter, our favorite letter. Second letter, so only one letter we know, so other letters are like this. We practice in school days, to the bookseller, required a list of books, and this is the money we are sending to you, so then please send this requested books. We never write in our life, but we practice in our school days. Okay. So yeah, another one is we are writing like to the father, required money to go to college tour. You may ask a father or a mother about money, right? So this is few points. It's just 3 points I'm telling. Okay. So these are writing a letter, but thing is, format is different. Your request is different. So based on your request, okay, person will understand. You ask your father, please grant me 10 days leave. So your father will ask why you need a 10 days leave, from what you want it. So like that. Okay. So to whom you are asking and what you are asking. For example, you are communicating to a web server. So you have to tell HTTP protocol, HTTPS protocol. You want to communicate with a file server, FTP protocol. You want to communicate with a mail server, like you want to send a mail or receive a mail. You want to send a mail, SMTP protocol. You want to receive a mail, POP3 or IMAP protocol. I will explain those protocols anyway, but understand, to communicate, so we need a set of rules, like a protocols. What is your request? What is the request? For example, you want to ping ICMP protocol. Your request is echo request. Okay, you're pinging from one to another one. So what is your request? For example, you want to ask me a question about some technical doubt, right? So you will ask a question, right? So Latif sir, to @Latif sir, what is a startup repair? So or @Latif, what is meaning of ping protocol? So that is, I'm the technical trainer. You ask me a question about a technical, right? So you want to ask a Ravan sir, sir, please send me a link for a version test. Okay. Or sir, we didn't receive any mail regarding version test. If you send to that me, I can't do anything. I don't give a reply also, because I'm not the person who is taking care of your version test. Okay. So if you send to others like a Pavni madam, you send, but she also cannot do anything, because who is handling that particular part? Ravan sir. So if you ask Sudeshna madam, what is safe mode? If she don't understand what is a safe mode, she will give a reply in a communication related, right? To whom you are asking and what you are asking. For that purpose, we need to understand what is protocol. So NIC, media, networking devices, and protocols and IP addresses are to form a network. You have to understand all these things. The next part we will going to what is NIC. Okay, so next we will see what is about NICs. Okay, and cables and the devices. Okay, so how the devices are look like also we'll see it, and also we'll see today the different topologies: bus topology, ring topology, star topologies. Okay, so if I have a time today, then also we'll complete some of things like a OS layer and IP addresses. Otherwise tomorrow we'll see. Okay, so now take a break, guys, and be back in a 15-20 minutes. Have a tea or coffee, please don't sleep. So we're going to cover a few more things here. Guys, are you understand up to here?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir.